Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Fanny, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Google form. Well, first we go to forms.google.com. So once you reach this page, you will see options of creating a blank form or a couple of templates that you'd like to. If you want a custom form, you can start with a blank one. If you want to start with a ready-made template, well and good. I'm going to show you both ways. So number one, let's start with a blank template. So you just click on blank and we give the name of the form. Let's say registration form. So you can add your form description here. For example, let's say names of online Zoom attendees. So you can add now a question to your form. For example, here there's an option of multiple choice. You can click this drop down and just change it to short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, or check boxes, or file upload, whatsoever date, time, whatsoever it is. So for this, we are going to start with a short answer. And our first question will be, what is your email address? And then make this required. Required means that someone cannot skip this. So once we are done with that, you come here on the right hand side, you click on add another question. Click on this plus. Why are you interested in attending? So this, we are going to make it checkbox, and then we give option 1 to network, add another option to learn, then add another option to do business. So let's make this field required. So let's add another question, and then this, let's make it short answer. What are your expectations? Actually, let's make it paragraph. Yes, so this is basically a simple form. So let's make this required, and then you realize that it's being saved in our Google Drive automatically. This is customizing a theme. So let's click on it. You can change the font to that, and then you can choose the theme color. Let's put it green. That's all. And then this eye shows that you can preview and see how your form looks like. So let's click on it. This is how the form looks like if someone clicks on it. Once you're done setting up that, you can send the form. You either copy the link and share it with people through this, or send it via email. You can actually shorten the URL and it looks like this. So I'm going to copy this and then send it to my other email so that you guys see how this form will look like. So I've let me copy the link and close. So this form is automatically being saved. So currently there are no responses. And the settings of the form, you can make it a quiz, you can set how to collect email addresses. You can check this instead of putting the other field of email addresses. You can just enable this. So limit to one response, so one person can respond at a time. So form defaults, collect email addresses. It's not collecting because I put there a field. So alright, let me fill out the form and see how it looks. So I'm going to just open incognito window. So I'll add there, why are you interested, to network, to learn, to do business. If other, you can state it there. Meeting new people. Then let's submit the form. There you go. I've registered to attend. So when I come back this side, you can see like there's already one response. And so to check this response, you can see the person who signed up and the reasons they gave and this. So now you can open this in Google Sheets. You just come here on the top right corner of the form response and then click on it, and then it will prompt you to create a new spreadsheet, and then you just rename it here to registration form, and then you create it. So now all the responses can be stored in your Google Sheets, including the time, the email address, and all the data you've collected. Now the second way to create the Google form, let's go back to forms.google, is by starting with a template. For example, you have a party invite template, you have RSVP t-shirt sign up. So we are just going to pick one of these and see how the templates really look like. So just click on party invite. For this example, you can already see it here as a header. So you can see the questions are what's your name, short answer, and it comes with ready-made questions that you can simply just customize based on how your party is. And then once you customize this, you can change the theme. You can change the theme simply by clicking here, change the party color or the form color, and then the text whatsoever. It has to be readable. So once you're done customizing this form, you can view it by clicking the eye icon, and this is how the form looks. And so you can send it via email or just copy the link, shorten URL, and share it with whoever you want to. Otherwise, thank you for watching. That is just as simple as it is. If you have any questions, comment down below and let me know which other video you would like to watch next. Bye.